Okay, so this is I'm adding this at the end, it's on the end, I'm adding this at the beginning because I was trying to find my bag. I was missing a bag of something. It was right beside it, but you know you can't see when you're looking because I thought I didn't get it. But I did pick these up. These are just the 15 piece of the foam brushes for $2.49 from Tuesday Morning. 208-5233. So this is going to be added on to the video I'm going to do. Sorry about the rest of them. Some tape for $1.99 at 203-8700, and this is a 1/4 inch. Yeah. And this is my sister got this, the acanthus leaf tags, and also one of them Boston folders that she got. I think it was from Joann's, which I didn't get a chance to do a haul on that one, but anyway, it was an acanthus one, so that's why she got that. And this is the Tudor Rose collection, and this is 204-7454. So this is a 9-piece floral set, and the spellbinder's number is S5232. I'm gonna open that up in just a sec. I forgot. Let me check to make sure everything is in here because it's kind of bent up. Make sure it's 9 pieces. I make a mess. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And if you look at the picture right here, you can layer them and make them a little dimensional as well. So let me open up her dies, the 6-piece set, and her spellbinder's number is S257. And it's a 6-piece set. Make sure all her pieces are there. Oh, this is a nice size. So you have this big rectangle one, and you have a rectangle insert. And that, and that. And that, and that. I don't even know if you saw that or not. But these are nice size dies. So she does have all her pieces. And you can cut the piece, the middle piece, the inner piece out with it or out without it. And then what I was looking for was this. So in the other video at the end of you'll see me trying to rumble trying to find this. But this is a Heidi Swap. And this is a $2.99, and this is Words. And it's called Words, and it says, excuse me, Phrase Kit Inspirational, sorry. 206-7581. It says Word down here. Different name there. So as I use it on the letter, you can see it says Faith Moves Mountains. So it's in her font. You got Charity, Faith, Peace, Humble, Blessed, Hope, Family, and Believed. So I thought it was pretty nice. So when you see the next video, I was talking about adding it to this lettered board, but you'll see the rest of it. So anyway, stay tuned for the rest. Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with a haul from Tuesday Morning, and I have 2 different products, and I'm trying to decide which one I want to keep, or if I want to keep both, one for home, one for work, or take both of them back. I'm on the fence, but you know, at Tuesday Morning, you kind of got to pick it up right then. I'd rather pick it up and decide at home and then take it back, then pass it up and then come back after I want it. That's just my experience. That's what I typically do. I buy it and then think about it, and if I don't really like it, I take it back. What I did find first was this for $2.99, and I got it because I do own the Sew Ribbons, and I have all 6 of them, so this would be a great holder because I got them in a box right now, but I like to have this more uniformed than the way they are. And this is 207-5950. So it holds the Sew Ribbon if you have those. They have been, you know, they've been selling them on and off at Tuesday Morning. And I got mine over a year ago. So first, actually let me just do this one because this one is a 1-piece set. They had this for $9.99. Okay, the reason why I picked this up, one, it's cute. It's got a, you know, a beach background, so it's kind of pretty. You got 106 pieces. This is a value kit, so it's one background, 70 letters and 30 numbers. It's for $9.99. This is the Heidi Swap. It is 207-9499. Now, so this is the Marquise Love. So, you know, they had example fun in the sun, you know. The reason why I got it twofold. So that's what it looks like, and those are the alphas and the numerics that come along with it. It is a light box. So I thought, one, it could serve two purposes. You know, it's a cute little saying, put whatever saying you want to put up there. And pretend it's summer because it's going to be down in the teens this weekend, even though we're not, it's expected to get in the snow, but the rest of our state is, and I'm a little closer into the beach, so we're not getting any snow, but our numbers are going to be in teens, very frigid. So it'd be nice to look at that. But really, it serves as a light box because I do like to do diamond dots. So this could also serve, you know, as a light box. Potentially, it does have the ridges right here, so I don't know how well it can serve as light box. But I mean, I can lay it over top if I need to. I'm thinking, so this could be like killing two birds with one stone, having something cute to sit on the desk, and also a light box for $10. So that was kind of my thinking on that. That would be a good deal for that. Instead of having to buy another light box, I could do it, you know, could serve two purposes. Well, they also had the Heidi Swap letterboard. So I have been seeing them. They've been in for the last, I guess, I don't know, month or two, on and off, whatever. But for some reason, this was caught my one because it was red, of course. Sorry, squishing up the tape. You know, it's gonna catch my eye if it's red. That's my favorite color, but. And it's white too, so they made it pop. But the other reason was the price was so much cheaper than the other ones. I don't know, the other ones that are down there with the black, and we had some pink ones and some white ones, and some of them were even smaller than this. The smaller ones, I think, that were like that size were $9.99. These were $14 or $16.99. And so when I saw this, it said $9.99. I was like, well, dang, why is the big one $9.99? This is 12 by 15. It's nice and heavy. So I kind of said, well, and I went to two other Tuesday mornings, and they didn't have it for that price. It was $16.99. I did see another one that was a different size. It was, and the smaller one was $11.99. So anyway, I said, well, why is this one so much cheaper and it's bigger? So anyway, I thought it was a good deal. So I said, well, let me pick it up and see. And again, I'm debating on it because do I really need it? It's just cute. 206-7548, but I do like it because I think you can put messages on it. Of course, not the same reason why everybody else uses it. So I can use this at work, or I can use it at home. So if I keep the light kit at home, I can keep this at work, vice versa, or just change it out, just with some change up scenery. So it comes with its own set of letters, but it only comes with 70. So does this come with letters? Maybe this one doesn't come with letters, and that's why. Yeah, this one doesn't come with letters, I'm sorry. But neither do the other ones. But anyway, so they have the small kits of letters, 147 pack for $2.99. These were in black, so it'll be black on red. And that was 206-7561. And that's kind of what the letters look like. So these are small, you know. But you have that one. Then another one that's black, it came with it. I mean, that I saw was $2.99. This is a 33 piece, and this is an icon set. So you've got a dog, a unicorn, which y'all know I don't like unicorns. Emojis, poop emoji. I don't like the poop emoji. I'm sorry. I just don't get it. Eyeglasses, speech bubbles, umbrellas, sun, moon, clouds, silverware. You know, fingers and stuff doing pointing. But anyway, so you have some icons that you can put on this board for fun. And I think I rated 206-7571. This is some gold letters. I'm missing one. Oh my God, where's the other one that had faith on it? Am I missing the back? I just realized that I have I'm missing one. Alright, and I don't see it in this bag. So I don't know if I saw it in the car. It's still in the bag. Let's see. Where is that? And I know I paid for it. It was $2.99. I hate when I buy something. Okay, sorry. I hate when I buy something and I can't find it, and it wasn't in my bag, and I know I got charged for it. It said Faith, Cherish, some other stuff like that. I want to know where that is at. Now I'm upset because I'm mad. I paid for something and I don't have it. Man. It's not in my car. I didn't see it in my car. My car is clean. Alright, so this is the gold set. These are more like icons as well. $2.99. So this is a 34-piece set. So it could go on that as well. And it's 2067572. And this one's called Arrows. So as you see, it has more banners, arrows, and circles, and some of course is a little glare because it's in the plastic. And then they had these large letters by DCWV. I don't know if this would fit on this, and I don't even know if it would look right on it, but I did buy it just to see, because I think you can still fit it up there. That was $3.49. 2050607. And they have a lot of letters, so you can spell a lot of things out. And this is 2 inches tall. Yes, it's a glare. Sorry about that. So just trying to decide what I want to do. But now I'm mad because I had the black one with the words that had Faith, Cherish. I don't know what it was, but you know it's in the Heidi Swap font. And I know I purchased it and I don't see it. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.